So for all you people who are looking to find AI tools for your job search and for your resume creation, here is another tool. And for this tool, I haven't registered. I just tried registering, and I thought, let me take you through my step-by-step journey. The way I will log in, the way I'll explore, and the way I'll test out different aspects. After testing around 10 different AI tools for resumes, I pretty much understand what are the things which are core and which are required, free version with the paid version, and to what extent you should be able to pay for a particular resume or AI tool that will help you to get your job. So I'm your coach, Moses Gomes, and my whole target is how I can get to 20 interview calls in next 60 days. Just follow my channel and you across all videos. I'm training you that you will get independent in next 60 days is my promise. Chalo, let's check this out. Mm, so we have logged in to this tool which is resume now, and it says hello Mozigumi because my email ID is Mozigumi. So create a resume, take your job search to next level. Then it says get guidance from professionals, expert resume writing, professional resume writing. You don't have any recommended jobs. So let's, do we want to build a cover letter? First, let's select a template. So let's select this template, choose the template, then continue. So desired position, chief, chief officer. Oops, spelling error. It's Google. So then continue. Then desired companies. Yeah, because it's a cover letter, so I need to put a desired company. THERMO, thermo, scientific. But this is in India. Let's continue. How much relevant? Oh, that's a wonderful part. Yeah, you can. So you just need to scroll out over here. This is the perfect UI. I'm excited to apply for the chief recently posted on reference of having. Okay, I have heard Turbovision looking for high chief market officer, mission driven applying. Okay, great company, good match, please customer. All purpose I'm experience applying to an opening. Now, okay, I think this here are openers we recommend. You'll be able to change or edit later. Okay, that's good. Then continue. Then what happens? The body. Okay, continue. So is employer name, job title, what's the most recent job? Dockport Health Technologies Limited. And continue. Three skills that show you are a fit for this position. So strategic planning, digital marketing, uh, mm, product launch. Mm, Now it says throughout my career I have been recognized for achieving results. I enjoy problem solving and detailed evidence, strategic planning, digital marketing, and product launch. I enjoy. Oh, so this is done, and then we go say continue. This is employment. Have you taken break from working and we want to let others explain later? Continue. So due to pandemic, my current workplace has furlong edit. So say if there is a gap, but if there is no gap, then I let's edit it later. The closer. This is the final paragraph where you'll sign off and include the next steps. So continue. So please take a look at enclosure. Thank you for your looking forward. And say continue. Uh, continue. Okay. Isn't it fantastic, man? I mean, it's mind blowing. It's so easy, and I just need to pick and choose. That's it. I love it, man. This is a this is really an amazing tool. Signature. I can upload, I can draw my signature over here, I can upload my signature. An opener, and I can edit over here. So whatever I want to edit, I can edit over here. Cancel. I say finish cover letter. So this is tick mark plus for cover letters. Very useful. 14-day access. Okay. 195 for 14-day annual access is $100 per month. Man, mm, what more we want now? So let's go again and go on our dashboard. So it says create a resume. Let's check out how do we create a resume. Choose a template. Okay, it has different templates. And if you see the interesting part, because I'm surfing and I'm going on the website from India, it is showing me Indian names over there. If I had been from US, it will show me US names. So it's loading, it's loading. Skip for now. Let's see, create a resume. I already have a resume. Uh, Upload from, so now upload. So what brought you here today? Select that apply. Update my experience, update my resume design. Find expertly written content for the day. Get my resume check for error. So update my resume, get fresh template. So let's see what this will say. Okay, that's okay. Continue. Well done. Now let's add your experience. Continue. Paraphrasing of work history is almost complete. Man, this is the real mind blowing. This is I haven't seen. So founder direct identity brand service led review your experience and manage entire life cycle. Okay. Assistant manager employee life senior consultant. That's great. Okay, continue. Now let's add your education. Continue. Okay, add it. So now add your skills. Continue. Because marketing program, employee motivation, personal management, account management, marketing strategy. So let's let's scroll down customer experience, influencer team mentoring. Okay, continue. Now let's add your summary. Continue. Multi-dimensional was highly. So there are a couple of options we have over here. Proactive manager, motivation leader. Okay, diligent job is now dedicated customer service representative. Okay, experience proactive. I'm confused now. I'm literally confused. What should I select? Let me select this for right now. Continue. So share more about yourself, languages, awards. Okay, continue. Show activities, uh, awards, certification, website, and social link. Add your own. Use this space to build a custom section. References upon available on request. Let's say continue and save and continue. Whoa, our resume is getting loaded. Where is the resume, man? Mm, it is taking me for the paid version. Any it so download. Let's download and check out what the does it allow us to download. No, it's not allowing. So it's intuitive design. It's getting me to create it, but unless I do the payment, I won't move anywhere else. So multi-talented skills, experience. Then you have different experiences over here. Although I can use a AI tool to regenerate something, but I think this is pretty much what I wanted. Like go to dashboard. Now in jobs, let's see what job section is about. So search for a job. I'm looking for CHIAG marketing officer, and I'm looking for Mumbai. So search. So it is searching, and here are a couple of enabling. It's not able to. So 100 miles. It doesn't have a good facility. It doesn't have a good inventory of jobs. I don't think I'll be able to apply jobs, but I can make a resume and the cover letter. I think that works. Nothing else. So coming back to our video, you should use this tool. One, to create your resume and your cover letter, because you can keep on personalizing it, you can keep on adding it, and it's pretty simple. It's you can't get a simpler version a AI tool to make it so intuitive. It's like selecting your Dell computer and the configuration online. It's so simple. Do check it out and use this tool, because I know if you use a combination of AI tools in your career search, within next 30 days you will be on job if you are off job right now. Bye for now.